Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to discuss our next question, that is program to find LCM of two numbers. So guys, let's see what actually LCM is. Basically LCM is the least common multiple of a number defined as the smallest possible multiple of two or more numbers. That is basically, it means if you are given two or more numbers, then you have to find a number which divides exactly the given numbers, right? Suppose 3 and 4 is there, right? So we have to find LCM of that number. So LCM is the smallest number which divides both the given numbers, right? So if you find 3 and 4 here, you will see 12 is the number which exactly divides 3 and 4. That is, we get remainder 0 when we divide 12 by 3 and 4, right? So this is LCM of that number. Okay, so basically you can say if there are multiple numbers, then we will find using multiple ways, right? So here 3 and 4 is input, 12 is the LCM. Okay, so let's try to understand its algorithm. So how we are going to approach to solve this question. Firstly, we have to initialize the two numbers, right? Whether you can take it from user or you can define it statically. Then you have to find the maximum of that number, right? Suppose you are given 3 and 4, then maximum of 3 and 4 is 4. Okay, so you have to store that in a variable, right? Check if max is divisible by num1 and num2. Okay, so now you have a variable max, right? And so now you are going to iterate and check whether two numbers num1 and num2 divides is that is max divides by these two numbers or not. If it is perfectly divisible by both this number num1 and num2, then that max is a LCM of that number. Okay, so here you can see we have checked if max is divisible by num1 and num2, right? If we get remainder 0 when dividing max by num1 and num2, then yes, it is perfectly divisible, so it is an LCM. If not, then we will increase the value of max by 1 and will reiterate and we will recheck whether divisible or not. So basically it is looping here. Okay, and if the number is exactly divisible by both the numbers, then we will break that loop and we will exit and print the LCM, right? So it will be more clear through an example. So we'll find we will check it in C programming language. Like here you can find the code in C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP. I will share the link to this code in the description section, so you can easily check it out. So here I am going to explain C code in this video. So I have copied the C code. Okay, so I will say this is the logic part. Okay, so this is the logic we are using here. So suppose we have a number num1 and num2, that is 10 and 20, and we have one variable max. So as in algorithm I have said that there will be a variable, we have first step we have to find the max of two numbers, right? So here we have find the max, right? If num1 is greater than num2, then we will assign num1 and else num2. So okay, so we have find the maximum number, right, or among the these two numbers, right? Then we have started looping, and one indicates that it is always true, right? So in inside we have checked whether the max is divisible by both the numbers or not. If it divisible, and in between we have used AND condition, that means both needs to be true, right? Both division here needs to be 0. Okay, so if both are true, then we will easily print that this is a our LCM, right? Max is an LCM. Else if it is an LCM, then we will break and we will exit, and as we have get the least number which divides both the numbers, so this is our LCM, so we will break and our loop terminates, right? Else what will happen, if this if condition is false, then we will increment the max counter by 1 and then we will again check whether this is divisible or not. So this is our whole logic behind this. Okay, so that is the logic we are using for finding the LCM of numbers. So now let's try to execute this code. So LCM of 10 and 20 is 20, right? And now I will check for two other numbers, that is 3 and 4. Okay, so for 3 and 4, as we have seen that the LCM is 12. So let's see whether we are getting LCM of 12 or not. Yes, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So this is our code. I hope you understand the code, and you can find this different code in different programming languages. So I am going to share the link in the description box. You can find. So guys, thanks, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.